Hello everyone. So Apple just announced the new change in iMovie recently. So on this video, I demonstrate the new change in iMovie. Let's begin. So let's create the new project. So to this point, so on here is automatically they have a background option available. So that's new in iMovie. So from this video's purpose, I choose gradients, the yellow color, as my video's project background. Okay, so talking about the new change in iMovie, I think they have a three category. The number one I want to talking about is title. So when I select this sliced, so the title editing option available. So I click here. So now I choose the number one style. So I type in the text, good day. Done. So the new changing is begin is start from here. So here have the font option list. So that's the new change. So you are able to change whatever the font is suitable to your own project. So that's the one change on the font. And the second change is about the color. So you can change the text color. So whatever you need, like right now I change it to the purple color, and I can change it blue, whatever, and to satisfy my project. So that's a very great change. And the third part I want to talking is the new change is make you able to move your title on your slides, whatever the position you want to move. So on top of this, so you can change it, the front size. You can change that as well. Like I zoom in, out. They allow you use in, out, zoom in, zoom out to change the front size. So to adjust the size as you need it. Sorry. So, and another part I want to talking is the three dot here. So you can click on that. So they have options listed here. So about the style, about the text shadow. So if I choose the shadow turn up, so they will show up to change the look of my title. So they have uppercase and the full clip duration. So all the thing you can make choices as your personal needed. So this change, I think is bring more personality on you choices. I think it is a very big change in iMovie. And the jump to the second change is about the background. And on the background, so here, like you can see, they have a picker. So when I click there, so they have color range to make me can customize what kind of background color I want to change. You know, say this yellow color is I choice at the beginning, but now I want to change the color to blue. So I will very easy to change the color here. Use this tool, and I want to change this color to purple. So that change it as well. So this way you can adjust your background as the whatever the project needed. So it's very handy tool for your project. And the third part I want to talking about is filter. So to be able to show up the filter change, I think I need to add some photos. Yeah, this one. So I add in. So when I select this, so the filter option is available. So I choose filter. In here you can see nothing changed, like just like they used to. But the only change part is when you choose a specific filter style, like I choose this one. So here I have a tool, the slice bar is show up here. So you can adjust this, change the look. So to suitable water project, you are editing on, and this added some flexibility, like you make it, you add some personal flavor. So that's the only change about on the filter part. So overall, the three change is really adding more fun to iMovie editing. I really enjoy this. I hope you enjoy this just like I do. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.